Don't ever drive over a pothole, unintentionally or intentionally. It's just not good. I spent the whole morning getting a new tyre fitted, and yeah. Anyway, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is fitting these lovely, that's what that looks like, rear side skirts, apparently, to finish off the look on the Skoda Octavia vRS MK4 Estate Diesel DSG. What we'll do, we'll get the car jacked up. I've cleaned under the sides. I'm going to work out a nice way of fitting these lovely Maxton pieces to the car. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on with it. Okay, so now we can take a look. This is where the side skirt is going to go on here. We line that up first with the car just to make sure it is the right fitment. Got all the cutouts there, as you can see, right along, straight across to here. But then when we take it down, the torque screw here that we're going to have to remove, and then line it back up. You've got these holes here, which is weird. So you must be able to bolt something into that with the fixing kit that was supplied. I think that will be possible. That, mate, horrible. I'm trying to get a screwdriver up behind this hole. I'm gonna line that up there like that, yeah? Watch this trick. So if we line this up to where we want it, to a suitable fixing point, and then I'm gonna press on that screwdriver and make a little mark right here, look. So if I drill a hole through there, I know the bolt will go straight through. I'm just going to use a 6mm drill. Constant. That straight through. Now that should just line up perfect. Here's the fixing kit from Maxton. Right, so I'm just going to put that bolt through like that. Look at that, goes through like a dream. We've just got to mark out how we're going to get the factory torque screw in there as well. Right, so I've just lined that up. I don't know if you can see, but the factory torque hole is there. Just marked it out with a screwdriver, and then I'm going to drill another hole through. One hole at a time, peeps. Right, let's test fit that. Oh, I don't think you can get any more textbook than that. Look. Right, I'm just going to screw that in and keep it in place for a moment. Like so. And then this factory hole at the back here, I'm going to put my screwdriver through it again. And then I'm going to mark out on the top and then drill another hole, and then we've got the fixings in. Oh yeah, as you can see, there's the mark. I've drilled that out now. Another hole drilled, look at that. Right, so that's all lined up. What I'm going to do is take the protective wrapper off and then put the nuts on the other end with a washer. Washer and a nut on the other side, and then probably put like a little screw in at the back of the valance underneath, just to give it that extra support. Beautiful piece of artwork, look at that. Put them on loosely to begin with, and then obviously I will tighten them up at the end. Get my spanner in. Should really have a socket, would be probably better, but unfortunately I don't have one on me. It's in my garage. Do this hand tight instead of with an impact, because you're dealing with quite a lot of tension. You don't want to rip anything. Ain't going nowhere, mate, that. Do the back now. What a position this is to do this. There we go. Woo! So drill a hole up underneath the back, out there, and then I'm going to fit a screw. Ain't going nowhere, mate. Let's move on to the next side. Oh my god, the car needs a clean now. Right, so on the driver's side now, but you can see this is different. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 torque screws, and you've got this under tray as well. So you ain't going to be able to get a nut behind there without taking these out and the under tray. But then how are you going to get the under tray back in? So I might have to just screw this one. You can see where this feels in the right position. I'm going to hold it, get back underneath the car and mark out where these original screws look to be. So use a marker pen. If you've got 2 of you, so one of you can hold it in place, that would be more ideal. One here, another one there, another one here. Right, I'll do them 3 first. You see my marker pen marked here. So I'm going to drill them out first with a 6mm drill bit. It doesn't have to be exact because you can always make it better, if you know what I mean. Right, it's taking these torque screws out and then I'm going to screw this up loosely with the holes I've drilled, make sure it lines up, and then hopefully that should be it. So basically I've reused the 2 torque screws here straight back into the under tray. I've countersunk the other 2 at the top of this plastic. I've countersunk it in more because the screws weren't long enough, so I've had to drill my own. I use some stainless steel ones just to give it the added protection. Screwed in, lovely jubbly, and down anywhere. I could have cleaned the car first, but there they are. It just finishes off the side skirts nicely, so it goes all the way along now. I think it looks really good because it obviously matches along the actual side skirts and it goes right to the back. And then if you go to the rear of the car, it like sticks out as well. It looks pretty good. Nice, easy mod to do that was. Obviously the left side was a lot easier. Because it was just a couple of bolts and you didn't need much in terms of adaptation. But on this side, because of the under tray, I had to screw it and obviously, you know, bodge it a little bit, but still looks good. We've still got some more mods left to do, but we'll save that for the next video. Let me know what you guys think, and I think it's time to go and get the car washed now because it's absolutely filthy. Right, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you found it useful and it's given you some sort of idea, if not guidance, if you're going to fit these yourself. Nice, simple, easy mod, and that's going to be it for today's one, but I'll see you again soon for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, 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 bye.